the Marwa, and this is the Cheetah inspired XUV 300, which is also the safest car in India with 7 airbags. So straight away, let's go to the front and see there. So at the front we have got the bold big Mahindra logo, which is finished in chrome, and this is the signature diamond studded Mahindra grille. I have said Cheetah inspired because it has many sharp and beautiful creases in the headlights. So these are the bi-xenon projector lights, and the secondary one is the halogen. This is the orange halogen indicator, and these are the L-shaped DRL, which is also a very beautiful thing. So this is the fog light of the car, and also it gets a first and segment feature, which is the front parking sensors. This is the front towing hook of the car. So let's go to the side profile and see there. So this is the 17-inch wheel, which is a crystal cut alloy wheel with a big disc. It looks very beautiful because it's a crystal cut. This is a beautiful accessory which you can install aftermarket. And these are the rear view mirrors, which are in body color, and this part is in black. These are the indicator which is mounted in this, and the door handle are also body color with request sensor. So at the rear we got the same crystal cut alloy wheel with a big disc. This is also a 17-inch wheel. Let's go to the rear. So these are Mahindra laser lights. This whole circle is finished in laser, and these are LEDs. The top ones are LEDs and the lower are halogen. This is the reverse light, and this is the indicator. This is the beautiful badging of the car, which is in chrome, and this is the auto shift model, which is also the top model. These are the XUV 300 badging, and here this is the rear parking sensor of the car, and these are the reflectors. You can also see the reverse parking camera, which is a very useful feature. This is the wiper. This hole sprays water, and the wiper cleans the windshield, which is also a very nice feature. Let's open the boot. So here we have got a 235 liter of boot space, and the parcel shelf is not present right now. The boot floor is adjustable. We can also keep it here. So let's close the boot. So at the rear seats, we have got a lot of spacious elements. So the seat upholstery is in leatherette, and the legroom is very nice, and the under thigh support is also nice, and the headroom is also adequate. So here we also get a leather finish. This is the leather finished armrest of the car, and also 3 adjustable headrests. It also get plastic finished this cup holders. 2 twin cup holders we also get. Let's go to the front driver's seat and see there. So this is the dashboard look of the car. We also get twin cup holders here, and it also gets 8-way adjustable driver seat. The passenger one is 6-way adjustable. Let's turn on the car. It also gets a push button start, and also make a very nice welcome sound. This is the 7.5-inch touchscreen, which says Mahindra Rise. It also says a warning, and we get a digital display up front, middle, and twin we get that analog. This is the speedometer, and this is the tachometer of the car. The wiper switches are here, and it also gets automatic headlights and automatic wipers too. This is the automatic gear lever of the car. We also get an automatic gear shift. Let's engage into reverse and see the reverse parking camera. So as you can see, this is a clear reverse parking camera, which also gets parking mode and assistance. So these also illuminate. As you can see, there are red lights, and also we get a deep glove box. We can easily keep a laptop here, and also the armrests get under storage. These are twin cup holders, and this is the manual handbrake. So this is the 12-volt charging socket here, and also we get an aux port and the USB ports, twin USB ports. So it also gets an automatic climate control system, and also twin zone automatic control. These are the buttons, which is also illuminated, as you can see this. So we also get radio, And here also we have airbags, which are the curtain airbags. So this is the auto dimming rear inside view mirror, and we also get a big sunroof. Let's open it. So this does not open in one go. We have to tap it twice. And this is the glass holder of the car, which also has some foam finishes here, so your glass will not get a scratch. This is the sun visor of the car, which also gets a mirror along with a light, and also one segment first feature too. Mirror along with the light in the driver's side too. And also we get adjustable seat belts here. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.